Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the services that Fidelity Investments provides. Fidelity Investments is a major financial services company that offers a wide range of products and services to both individual investors and businesses. For individuals, Fidelity provides brokerage accounts that allow you to buy and sell various investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. They are well known for their extensive selection of mutual funds, including many with low or no expense ratios. Fidelity is also a leading provider of retirement accounts. They offer different types of IRAs, such as traditional, Roth, and SEP IRAs, and they are one of the largest administrators of workplace retirement plans, like 401(k)s. Beyond basic investment accounts, Fidelity offers financial planning and advisory services. You can get guidance on everything from creating a retirement strategy to saving for a child's education. They also have tools and resources for wealth management, helping clients with more complex financial situations. For businesses, Fidelity provides a suite of services including corporate retirement plan management, human resources administration, and institutional investment solutions. They help companies set up and manage benefit plans for their employees. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.